Did you know one of the greatest jazz songs ever started as a simple playground game? Little kids in the 1800s used to sing "A Tisket, A Tasket" while dropping handkerchiefs and chasing each other around in circles. The funny words tisket and tasket meant tiny baskets in Old English. Fast forward to 1938 in Harlem. A young woman named Ella Fitzgerald was walking down the street when she heard children singing this same silly song. But Ella heard something special in those simple words. She thought, what if I turn this into a jazz song? So Ella worked with bandleader Chick Webb to transform the innocent playground chant into a swinging musical masterpiece. When they recorded it, something magical happened. The song became Ella's very first big hit and made her famous as the First Lady of Song. What makes this story even more amazing is how a black woman took a white children's game and made it her own, bringing playground fun into fancy jazz clubs. Sometimes the most beautiful music comes from the simplest places, like kids playing games on the street.